Hi, my name is Ray. The procedure I had done here at Bluegrass Dentistry was full upper and lower arch. When I looked at my mouth in the mirror, it was a train wreck. It was horrible and becoming worse on a monthly basis. When I finally decided to take the plunge and have something done, it kind of an unusual circumstance. I woke up one morning, just woke up and slept all night, and one of my front teeth had fallen out without any indication that that's what was going to happen. It was not loose, there was no pain associated with it, and I felt a lump between my gum and my lip. I used my tongue to determine what it was. I thought maybe I didn't brush my teeth well that night and there was something left from dinner, and pulled it out and it was a tooth. I came in with a good deal of embarrassment. I made an appointment. Bluegrass Dentistry, of course, was highly recommended to me by an acquaintance. The minute I met Dr. Seth, I asked him, I said, "Are you ready for a project?" And his response was, "I love projects." And we have taken it from there.
When Ray presented in our office, he was dealing with chronic pain, loose teeth, tenderness. He had pain that he had dealt with for so long that he didn't even know he had pain in those areas anymore. It just became normal for Ray. And through our talk, he was immediately set on letting all those teeth go and going forward with a fixed implant prosthesis. He knew what he wanted as soon as he walked in the door. He came to me specifically because he knew my skill set in that area and wanted to have those results done as soon as possible. He was very motivated to get it completed. He had zero reservations about losing those teeth and actually really wanted them out.
The best solution for me were full implants, upper and lower. One tooth at a time doing the implant, it would have been an interminable process. So a recommendation was made that we do it all at once, and that's what we have done.
Ray's currently in his temps. He has about 2 more months to go before he's ready to go into his finals. His healing looks amazing. He healed up absolutely beautifully. Little to no pain after the procedure. He keeps them clean, pretty much immaculate at this stage. He's really ready to go to that final. All those temps look absolutely beautiful, so it gives us a really good idea of where we're going to go and what small design changes we're going to make to get him to look like he never lost his teeth.
Now that we're at this stage in the process, I really can't believe I waited so long to do it. It's been amazing. This is the best investment I've made in my own interest. It's for my self-confidence, and even my children, after I made the decision to do this. They've been very indulgent of this particular circumstance, but their response to it was, "It's about time, Dad."